Have you ever looked at a smartphone, tablet, or computer and thought, "This is too complicated for me"? Well, let me tell you something, it's not. You are never too old to learn. Technology may look intimidating at first, but it was made for everyone, including you. In fact, once you understand it, you'll realize it can make your life easier, safer, and even more enjoyable. Today, we're going to talk about digital skills every senior should learn, the essential tools that can keep you connected with family, save time, protect your privacy, and even open new doors of opportunity. So sit back, relax, and let's take this journey together, one click at a time. 1. Using a smartphone with confidence. Your smartphone is not just a phone. It's your personal assistant, your photo album, your TV, your newspaper, and your connection to the world, all in your pocket. But to make it truly work for you, you have to take control of it. Start by customizing it. Go to your settings and increase the font size so you can read easily. Adjust the brightness for clearer vision. Turn on voice commands like Siri on iPhones or Google Assistant on Androids. You can say things like, "Call my daughter," "Set an alarm," or "What's the weather today," and your phone will do the work for you. Learn to install useful apps like WhatsApp for messaging, YouTube for videos, and Google Maps for directions. These little tools can help you do almost anything. Whether it's finding your way to a friend's home, listening to gospel music, or watching your grandchildren's school performance online, your smartphone gives you that power. And remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Even young people had to learn step by step. Every tap and every swipe brings you closer to confidence. 2. Video calls and messaging apps. There was a time when we had to wait weeks for a letter. But today, you can see your loved ones live, right from your living room. Learning to use video calling apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, or FaceTime is one of the most heartwarming skills a senior can have. With just one button, you can join family celebrations, chat with your grandchildren, or attend church fellowship online. Imagine sitting comfortably on your sofa, talking face-to-face with your daughter who lives in another country. That's the magic of technology. Messaging apps also help you share photos, receive updates, and send love instantly. It might feel strange at first, all those buttons and icons, but don't worry. After a few tries, you'll handle it like a pro. The joy of seeing familiar faces again makes every minute of learning worth it. 3. Online safety and scam awareness. Now, let's talk about something very important, online safety. Just like the real world, the internet has good people and bad people. Scammers are everywhere, and they often target seniors. But the good news is, with a few smart habits, you can stay completely safe. Rule number 1. Never share your personal or banking details through email, text, or social media. No bank or government office will ever ask you for your password online. Rule number 2. Be careful of messages that sound too good to be true, like "You've won a free car," or "Click here to claim your prize." These are traps. Don't click on suspicious links. Rule number 3. Always double-check before paying or donating online. Call your bank or ask a family member to confirm. The internet is a wonderful place when used safely. A little caution protects your hard-earned money and your peace of mind. 4. Online banking and bill payments. Remember those long queues at the bank? Well, those days can be behind you. Online banking lets you manage your money from the comfort of your home. You can check your account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and even receive pension updates with just a few taps. Most banks have official apps that are easy to use. Once you set up your account, you can securely log in and handle transactions anytime. To stay safe, always use strong passwords, log out after each session, and never access your bank app on public Wi-Fi. Learning this skill saves time, reduces stress, and helps you maintain your independence. It's a great feeling to handle your finances without depending on anyone else. 5. Using social media wisely. Social media can be a beautiful thing when used the right way. It allows you to reconnect with old friends, join communities, and share moments that matter. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are great places to explore your interests, from cooking and travel to storytelling and faith. But like any tool, it has to be used wisely. Don't believe everything you see online. Some posts are fake, and some news is misleading. Avoid sharing personal details like your address or financial information. Use social media for positivity, to learn, connect, and inspire. Follow pages that lift your spirit and bring laughter. Stay away from negative or argumentative spaces. Remember, your peace of mind is priceless. 6. Searching for information online. The internet is like a library that never closes. You can learn about almost anything in seconds. Want to know how to manage arthritis pain? Or how to bake a new recipe? Just type your question in Google and explore. However, not all information online is true. Make sure you use trusted websites like Mayo Clinic, WebMD, or BBC Health for health advice. Check multiple sources before believing any major claim. Learning how to search for information helps you stay informed and independent. You don't have to wait for anyone, the answers are at your fingertips. 7. Online shopping and delivery apps. Shopping has never been easier. Now you can order groceries, clothes, or medicine from home. Apps like Amazon, Jumia, or Walmart deliver straight to your door. You can compare prices, read reviews, and save time. But again, safety comes first. Shop only on trusted websites, make sure the web address begins with HTTPS, and use official apps for payments. Online shopping is convenient, especially when mobility becomes a challenge. It's another way technology brings comfort into your life. 8. Digital learning and entertainment. Who says learning ends after retirement? With the internet, you can study new things at any age. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube offer free lessons on almost anything: painting, computer skills, photography, or even learning another language. You can also use your phone or tablet for entertainment. Watch classic movies on Netflix, listen to favorite old songs on Spotify, or follow inspiring channels on YouTube. Digital learning keeps your brain active and your heart young. It's never too late to learn something new or rediscover old passions. 9. Managing files and photos. Many seniors love taking pictures of their grandchildren, pets, or travels. But what happens when your phone runs out of space or gets lost? That's where cloud storage comes in. Apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive allow you to save photos and important documents safely online. They act like a digital storage box you can open anytime, from any device. Organize your pictures into folders, label them, and back them up regularly. This way, your memories, your life story, stay safe forever. 10. Staying curious and keeping an open mind. The most powerful digital skill you can ever learn is curiosity. The willingness to explore, try, fail, and try again. Every expert you see today started as a beginner, and so can you. Technology changes fast, but your mind can still adapt. Every day, try to learn one new thing, maybe how to send an email, download a song, or join an online group. Don't let fear stop you. Mistakes are part of learning. The beauty of technology is that nothing is permanent. You can always undo, restart, or try again. Staying curious keeps your mind sharp, your spirit young, and your world wide open. So, what's the secret to thriving in the digital world? It's not age. It's the attitude. When you take time to learn and explore, you open doors to new experiences, you stay connected with loved ones, informed about your health, and engaged with life. Remember, you are not too old for technology. You are living in an incredible time where learning never stops and connection is just one click away. So pick up that phone, open your laptop, or ask someone to show you a new app today. Every small step is a victory. Every new skill keeps you active and independent. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And share it with a friend or loved one who might need a little encouragement to take their first digital step. Because the digital world isn't just for the young, it's for everyone who's willing to keep learning, growing, and exploring life with an open heart. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay wise, stay safe, and keep learning.